The Power Platform set of services is part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. These services focus on simplifying line of business processes and access to and modification of organizational data from all sources. The platform is centered around low-code development tools, which enable so-called citizen developers, sometimes also called makers, to implement solutions, reducing the burden on organizational IT departments. Citizen developers are people whose primary job is not software development, but they have motivation to build solutions that address the requirements of their department, team, or personal responsibilities. I list Power Platform components here, with the first three a bit larger since those are the ones I'll be focusing on today. Power Apps is a service for creating line of business apps. And Power Automate is a service for creating line of business workflows. Copilot Studio is a service for creating intelligent agents that assist users via natural language interactions. And these agents can use AI and integrate with Microsoft 365 Copilot. The other Power Platform components include Dataverse, which is a data store for databases, files, and logs, along with a predefined set of entities and the capability to run business processes. It helps Power Platform users work with data without introducing external databases, such as SQL Server. And Power Pages simplifies building web pages in an analogous way to how Power Apps simplifies building apps. AI Builder simplifies working with machine learning models, such as those that recognize images and forms. And finally, Power BI is a comprehensive tool for working with business reporting and data visualization, but I won't be covering Power BI today. Okay, next slide. So let's start with Power Apps. Power Apps allows the creation of line of business apps without expensive development team resources by enabling citizen developers to build apps. Apps implemented using Power Apps can access and modify organizational data to simplify common processes that are not addressed by solutions provided by internal IT teams or third parties. However, Power Apps development requires an understanding of general software development concepts, such as working with data sources, UI design, controls, properties, and events, and basic coding with the PowerFX language, which is similar to Excel functions. Furthermore, administrator oversight and management are required for governance. A Power Apps includes the following components for building, testing, publishing, running, and managing apps. You get a web-based development environment for makers, which is analogous to an integrated development environment, or IDE, used by professional developers. You get UI controls such as forms, edit boxes, and buttons, which are used to implement UIs, at least for some types of the apps. You get testing, debugging, and publishing tools, which are available in that web-based development environment. You get a runtime for your published apps, which is hosted by the Microsoft 365 service. And you get this logical isolation model called environments, which lets administrators separate groups of users for different access to data and tools. And you also get many other features that allow admins to govern Power Apps usage. It's not just environments, there's lots more controls in the admin center.